how to add a site name and page title in Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a site name and also a specific page title for each one of the pages that you're going to have into your website. We're going to head over sites.google.com, sign in for our Google account, and then we're going to see the recent sites. If you do not have a website ready, you can go ahead and start from a scratch website or a blank page or a blank site, as you can see, or a template. Now, I'm going to select my website just like that, and as you can see, we're going to have it right there. Now, for the name of the website, you're going to click on the name, as you can see at the top, and you can go ahead and name it whatever you want. So make sure that you're going to have here the website name here as mentioned in here. So I'm going to change it maybe to Jack Sites, for example, like that. And this one also is going to be the same, Jack, like this, Sites. Now, for the parameters, you can go ahead and have here the navigation or the brand image or the brand logo for your specific text in here. So we are going to put here as the alternative text from the image as the same name, like that, Sites. So we are going to make sure that we are going to respect the specific SEO tools. So that was pretty much it. And as you can see, this is the site name now. Now, how we can basically to change or going to change the page titles. So we are going to head over here, click on pages. As you can see, we are going to find all the pages here. And how we can change them, for example, this test, I can go ahead and click on the specific three dots here. And we can go ahead and click on properties. From the property, we are going to change the name of it. For example, here we have test. We're going to put Jack, for example, like that. Jack accessories, like that. I'm click on done, and as you can see, it is going to be changed here on the pages. Also, the title is going to be changed for the title or the header on this navigation bar. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.